Wedding. It's the biggest niche on Etsy, and if you are selling customized products or you are selling any digital products or decor, this is the platform for you. Today I'm going to show you this niche and explain why I prefer to sell in this niche and what products can bring you much more profit, where you should concentrate your attention on. So let's have a look at wedding, and we're in spring, so everybody is getting ready for autumn, September, when we are going to have a peak in this niche of sales. So let's go. Okay, dropshippers and not dropshippers, everybody who is making sales on Etsy or looking at this platform, let's have a look at the wedding niche. So now I'm recording this video in April, and this is just a great start for wedding store because it will launch very well now and will grow exponentially, and in September you will have peak of sales because this is when all the weddings take place. Right, so let's have a look at this niche and why I think this is the best niche for Etsy. Well, first of all, we have great demand in this niche, and you can sell absolutely, anything from favors, dresses, decorations, any kinds of gifts. So if people are looking for wedding gifts and they're going on Etsy, they don't go to Amazon or any other platform, because this is where you can buy unique gifts for this occasion. So, okay, let's have a look at this niche and what we can sell here. Well, of course, this niche is very customizable. So people are looking for custom items where you can add your name and the couple name, and to have a memory of this moment. So one of the cool items that I found here is a cake knife. So it can be personalized, it can have a date and names of the couple. So, and so even now in April, they have really good sales. So if you know something, or you can do engraving, or you're doing drop shipping, so definitely this is the thing to go for. And here you don't need like many sales, like 76 sales, and they already have $3,000, and they started just in 5 months. So, and for the month of September, you will see how this store is going to grow. They also sell forks with engravings and so on. So just look at this product. Well, of course, here people like some neon signs, and they order special signs with the name, right, family name of the couple. So this is really cool product. Well, there is a big competition here, of course, so now everybody is looking at this item. But if you are selling in this niche, this can be just one of the items you can sell and see how it goes, because you don't need to create a store only with signs, neon signs, but it can be just one of the products, so without pushing it too hard. Well, of course, a lot of digital items, and many of these digital items are very easy to make. They have special themes, because you can have in different colors, in different boho style or modern style or anything. So digital items are really good, and people give money for gifts. So this is also a very cool product, because they want to give money, but not just in an envelope or just to give money, that's it, right, or transfer. So they want to present it in a nice way. So personalized wedding money gift. So this is like a printable poster. So they would put inside the money they want to give to the couple. And this is absolutely easy to make product digitally and sell it on Etsy. And look at it, right? So they make $500 a month just using this poster, right? And this is just a digital download, right? So very easy to start with. Okay, so well, in this niche, of course, so I'm just looking generically here. So we have favors, we have many interesting items here. But if you start looking at the niche of wedding, of course, you should start from the parties that are prior to the wedding, because wedding is one thing, but everything is about the bride and bridal shower, and there are gifts for bridal shower, there are special outfits for bridal shower. So this is even the beginning of everything that should happen, later. And this is also really cool. There are many very easy to make products, even dropship, customized slippers for brides and for the whole company, because usually they have on this event they have friends, so everybody should have some special pajamas or gown, personalized things. So this is absolutely a great product. It's personalized, it fits Etsy policy, and this can be drop shipped from China, right? So this kind of product is really good. And this is just, I'm talking about the bride, and groom is as well is absolutely stunning topic, because here they also have their party before the wedding and they go crazy about that, and there are many digital items and physical items as well. So this is really interesting to look at as well. If we are looking at some accessories, well, you can go for wedding dresses, of course. So if you are selling and you have good suppliers of very good quality dresses, because this is a special occasion, so you definitely need to have a really good quality supplier. But this is a very doable, because mainly all things are made in China. So don't think that you cannot source really great quality. And there are many European suppliers, and you can even make some custom things if you are a local business. So yes, so many things can be done online via Etsy, even if you are not drop shipping, but you are making stuff. But here, if you just look for the same products on AliExpress, you will be amazed how many wedding dresses they sell, and people really love them. Well, so this is about the dress, the shoes and everything, but I will show you another thing that I would really look at. Well, I'm from Russia, and we never would even look at wedding bouquet, which is not from fresh flowers. Well, in Russia, this is, important to have fresh flowers. But everywhere in the world, brides, they use artificial flowers, and look how they sell. They sell very well, and that this is absolutely stunning and easy product to start selling on Etsy. And we have everything, and on Amazon we have amazing suppliers from Amazon, from AliExpress, and there are different topics, because here as well we have not only white flowers, so people go for sunflower, some orange bouquet, because there are many styles in this topic, right? So yeah, just have a look. And all these items, they are very accessible, right? Of course, there are bestsellers more in ordinary pink and white, but this is also very interesting. And yeah, for summer, uh, for summer, this is also really interesting thing that I have found is a sunflower. Yeah, there is a special wedding with sunflower decor, and of course they have sunflower bouquet. And even now in April, they still have sales. And apart from you know, the bride that who has the bouquet, so all her bridesmaids, they also have bouquet, and the groom as well. So this is like a good set of products that can be sold here. Well, this is definitely not the style that would sell, but look around. And yeah, this is just the beginning. So you see, I am gradually showing you more and more products. And if you look at decoration, this is just amazing. And let's have a look. Okay, so we have cheap decor and many of, you know, wedding ring boxes and something like that. Yeah, but if you just filter your products to start selling something, you know, more tangible with a bigger price, just filter everything for starting from 100, and you will see different type of products that are absolutely easy to start selling, because we have suppliers everywhere. Well, arches, floral decors, you know, because they decorate everything with flowers, ceiling, you know, some spots with flowers. And here, of course, you need to pick the right product. You need to look on Pinterest, because there you will get inspiration what is trendy now. And of course, you see the wedding signs that can be customized, and you can also make them. So anything in this niche is really, really interesting. So we can have a look at centerpieces for table and much more. One of the shops in wedding niche that is making quite a lot of money. So, and look at the products. So they're making everything from wood, some special signs, arches, some table numbers. So any idea that you want to test in your shop, just have a look here, because they're also easy to replicate what they're doing, and check their best sellers. Let's have a look what sells the best, and just make your shop full of items that are similar to this. So for example, wedding card box. Okay, so we can have a look at this product and find the same product, you know, supplier for the same product, and yeah, so it's absolutely realistic to make. So once you find the store like this, well, this store is concentrated on wooden items, so you don't have to concentrate only on wooden items. You can, you know, sell anything, and from textile or, you know, paper, everything for this event. But definitely this is a really interesting product, right? So that is quite expensive, and this is for cards. And if we analyze the demand for this product, so it's for rustic wedding, so for special type of wedding. And yes, so there is gift box wedding, right? So this is where they collect gifts. So definitely really nice item. It's not complicated at all. and welcome signs and some more items. Yeah, more boxes. So definitely this box is a really good idea. So it can be customized as well. So yeah, look at this store. They have vinyl record, guest book, right? So everything is about wedding here. Absolutely, yeah, really great store to see, you know, to look at and start selling something similar. And as well, they sell arches. So this is a very easy arch for boho rustic. Yeah, you see, so they use this rustic word for boho rustic weddings. So yeah, and it's not difficult to source it. It's definitely on Amazon, half of the price, or you can find it in China, but I've seen many of that type of arches on Amazon, so definitely go there. And on Amazon they're just maybe $50 or $60, so go for it. This niche is going to be absolutely amazing. Started today, and by September you will have a great store on Etsy.